Good afternoon, everybody. TSRS bias, poaching part bias, BPC and MPC second year. So now at present I am going to discuss about the salt analysis or C-macro analysis, how we have to write the record on these holidays. So I am going to explain that one only. So you will have the scorer book and also record. So how to write in the record I will explain here only. So you will have to observe this. So first you people have to write salts only. How many salts are there? It was 24 salts are there. We have to analyze them and we have to identify one cation and one anion from the given salt in an examination. So then after holidays we are going to discuss about we are going to laboratory. Okay, then so we will understand there only, but I am explaining here only how to write the record. Now at present you people are at home, so only I am going to explain the salt analysis. So here from there are 24 salt, I am writing only analysis of salt number. Suppose example salt number, whatever it may be, salt number 1 or 2. So this is the heading on record. So you will have to consider it is a record. Okay, so it is a record. On the top of the page you will have to write that one only, the salt analysis of salt number 1. Then first one, preliminary test. Preliminary, okay, tests. Right, and preliminary test, what we have there in preliminary test, you will write first one. So here experiment, and also observation, and also inference, you will write. So you make a table like this: experiment, observation, and okay. So in your scorer book there are, okay, here it is inference. You will make a table like this. So in this table you will write only the color, which color is there. Those are all in your next state or physical state. Physical state is there. Suppose observation, so it is white in color. So whatever it may be, you write white or maybe blue or maybe black or maybe green, whatever the color is there in your observation. And in the scorer book you will write that like that only. The physical state, it is maybe crystalline solid, okay, or amorphous solid, whatever it may be, amorphous solid like this. So next inference, what are there in the scorer book, you will have to write that like. To close the table like this only. Again you will have to write the action of heat. Action of heat. Okay. So and also you will have to write here same like that table, you will have make it like this only. Same. So what is that? First one is experiment and it is observation. Okay, then after it is inference, right? So you write here action of heat, and also action of heat is like that. You people have to close this one. You write here which one experiment, what you have to do, the action of heat, and you write observation and inference. Same like that, you can take the which one it is, action of heat and flame test. Flame test. Okay, flame test, in the flame test also you will write like that only. Same experiment and observation and inference. Right. So after the closing of these four, what are they? One is a color and physical state, experiment, action with separate table, and also flame test for also it is also separate table. You will have to close it. Okay, up to here it is only preliminary test. So in our examination, annual examination IPU, so half mark for this, half mark for this, and which one it is, action of it is also half mark, and flame test. For this preliminary test only we get 2 marks in the examination. So are you understand this one? So what is there in the scorer book, you will write in the record. So there are 2 types of pages are there in the record. One is the line page is there, another one is the white page is there, back side of that one. You will write okay, completely in line page and also white pages. You continue the which one it is a white page also you have to continue. Okay, after the completion of this one, if you will go for the which test after the completion of this one, downside of this one, you will write here main heading is there, identification of anions. So there also you will write experiment, observation and inference, and here there are okay. So here it is identification of anions, right? So in identification of anions, first one is the, so you have to make the table overall, experiment, observation and inference in the overall page. So maybe it will come in the white page or maybe line page, whatever it may be. So first one is the action of HCl, or action of dilute HCl, whatever it may be. You write here only the experiment completely, and you write the observation here, and you write the inference here. Same, you continue the action of conc H2SO4. Okay, so you write here only, and you write the experiment here and observation here and inference here. Are you understand this one? So then after, so you are going to, the other one is after the completion of this one, maybe you want to complete, you want to continue this one, you write here it is action of conc H2SO4. Okay, so continue this page only. So after this one, maybe write or not like this. Okay, then here you people would write experiment, and here you would write observation, here you would write the inference. Do you know that action of HCl, action of dilute HCl, the what is the you write here, what you would write here? So to the salt solution, to the given salt, 2-3 drops of dilute HCl is added. Okay, so which is there in your scorer book, you will write this here. So observation, colorless, okay, odorless effervescence are evolved, right? Okay, next year inference maybe carbonate or maybe present or carbonate absent, whatever maybe you will write here. Okay, here it is action of conc H2SO4, maybe it will come as a bromine or maybe bromide or maybe Cl minus. What do you write? Suppose example brown fumes are evolved here. Okay, then you write here maybe bromine, okay, present. Suppose example white fumes are evolved, you write as a chlorine may be present. So no fumes are evolved, no reaction. Suppose example no reaction is there, suppose. Okay, then these two are absent. Suppose example these two are absent. So this one is absent, this one is absent, whatever it may be. Which one is there in your scorer book, you will have to write here like this only, the continuation. So action of conc H2SO4 plus heat. Okay, so what is the experiment here, you will have to write to the which one, to the salt. Okay, some amount of a little bit of conc H2SO4 is added and heated. Okay, then what will happen? So brown fumes are evolved, then it is nitrate is present. So which one is there? Okay, in the scorer book in salt number 1 or maybe salt number 2. So you will write clearly for those salts. Okay, vice versa like that. So next further you will have to continue here same identification of anions. After this, you will write here. I am writing here only identification of cations. Okay, after the completion of the anions, any one of the anion you will get. Okay, suppose example we don't get this carbonate, bromide and chloride, nitrate, all are absent in any salt. You have to go for the other one. Which one it is? Barium chloride test. Barium chloride test. So to the salt solution. Okay, so to the salt solution plus which one is added? Barium chloride solution is added. Then curd like PPT is formed. PPT is formed. Okay, maybe you write that one as a which one? So maybe sulfate present. So any one of anion will come. So any one you get here, then you have to go for the confirmation test for that. Suppose example you get a nitrate in the first salt. In the first salt you will get only nitrate. So after that you are going to confirmation test of the nitrate. Okay. So then the nitrate also you have to follow this one only. So confirmation test for the nitrate. Again you have to write the experiment, observation and inference. Okay. So there are two tests are there for nitrate. So one is a copper turning test is there and another one is a Browning test is there. You will have to write okay as it is which are okay in your scorer book or maybe other, right? Okay, so you will have to write. Yes, next further to identify after the completion of anions you are going to the identification of cations, right? Okay, so in cations you will have to write which one first here. We have to write the first one is the ammonium test. First one is the ammonium test. NH4 plus test. You would write like that ammonium, clearly ammonium NH4 plus in the bracket. You will not write that one as like that. So you write like that only. Suppose ammonium test. So you write in the bracket NH4 plus. Right? Okay. So what you write again here? Same. The experiment. Okay, and observation and inference you write. Make a table for this one. So it is a gap only. Okay, after the completion of identification of cations, first you are going to do the ammonium test only. Actually the ammonium cation is belongs to 6th group. While doing the practical in the laboratory, so completion of all anions and all cations in the first group. So there is a lead may be present, second group copper may be present, third group aluminum may be present, iron 2 plus may be present, then fourth group manganese, zinc 2 plus and nickel 2 plus. Okay, so may be present. In the fifth group you may be present barium 2 plus and calcium 2 plus, and also which one it is, strontium 3 plus may be present. So like that you will have to. Okay, so first we are doing, lastly we have to go for the ammonium test because it is present in the 6th group, but ammonia will disappear while we are doing the practical or experiment in the laboratory. Okay, so then it will be evaporated, that we don't get any cation. Ammonia is not there, nothing is there in the given salt. So that's why we are going to do the ammonium test first, before only for all cations. Okay, before the all cations we are going to do the ammonium test. So in the ammonium, while what we are doing the ammonium test here, in the experiment what you would write here, so to the salt solution, okay, 2-3 drops of sodium hydroxide solution is added and heated, you would write here. So this is the experiment you write, ammonium test, and observation maybe which one? Okay, so which smell, ammonia smell be evolved, whatever it may be that. So inference, maybe ammonium present or maybe absent, you would write. Then after the completion of the ammonium test, in the identification of cations only, first you would write the ammonium test. After the completion of this one, we are going to write the group analysis table. Suppose example we will get the ammonia present in this test only, you will write the group analysis table. Okay, the first group you would write no PPT is formed. Okay, first group absent. In second group Okay, you write no PPT is formed, second group absent. Completely like that. Suppose example you won't get this ammonia here. Suppose example you get the ammonia here. Maybe ammonia smell is evolved in the observation. Then you have to go for the confirmation test of ammonia. Okay. Then after what we are going to do? Then after also we have to do for our confirmation. We have to do the all groups. Okay, group test. So in every group you would write group reagent in experiment, observation no PPT is formed. Okay, inference you would write which one first group absent, led to 2 plus absent. In second group you what you would write? Okay, so group reagent you have to add it second group and observation no PPT is formed and you write a copper 2 plus is absent. Like that, you will have to complete a group analysis table must and should you will have to write in the record. Why? Because it is coming in the examination. There are 2 marks for the group analysis table. After the identification of cations, after the writing of ammonium test, we are going to group analysis table only. Okay, so I am writing the overall group analysis table here. Overall group analysis table for the cations only. Okay, so while writing the group analysis table, so write clearly group analysis table. Right, okay. While writing the group analysis table in the record, you write like this only. The group number I am writing here. Group number and experiment you write like that only. Experiment and observation you write, and also you write inference. Right, you write like this group analysis table. This is the main thing only. It will be practiced to our examination also. Okay, so it is a group number. You write Roman number 1 only, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So this is the group analysis table. So group number, experiment, okay, observation, group number, experiment, observation, inference. So here first group, what are the reagents here? Okay, salt solution plus dilute HCl. Okay, need not write like this. You maybe you write what is there in your text scorer book. You write that one only. So to the salt solution, dilute HCl is added. So this is the first group reagent. Dilute HCl is the, you write like that only. So observation. Suppose example you are doing the first salt, no PPT is formed. Okay, no PPT is formed. Okay, then you have to write here. Which one you have to write here? So you write first group absent. Okay, first group absent. And which one is absent? Lead 2 plus. Okay, absent. Or cation absent, whatever it is. The second groups, salt solution plus, okay, dilute HCl and also H2S you write. And here also maybe no PPT. First, suppose example we are writing the first salt number 1 only is formed, right? And here the second group absent, and which one it is? Copper 2 plus absent. And third group, salt solution plus ammonium chloride. I'm writing this. Okay, so formulas only, ammonium hydroxide. So these are ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide are third group reagent. Here maybe gelatinous. Okay, white PPT is formed. Third group may be present. Al3 plus may be present. Right? So, sir, we completed, we get the cation, then we are going to conformation test. So, don't, cut this page at this point only. You will have to write the reagent of group 4. What are the group 4 reagent? S plus S salt solution plus ammonium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide plus H2S here also. H2S. So here you will not write already aluminum we get, but need not write all this, but in the examination you will not write all these things. So that's why that will be practiced to you for examination. So you write here, what you will write here? No PPT is formed. Right, okay. So what a fourth group? Okay, absent. Which cations are there in the fourth group? Suppose example Mn2 plus, Zn2 plus, absent. What is there? You would write that one. Okay, again, don't stop here only. Again, you write the fifth group also. Salt solution plus ammonium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium carbonate. Okay, so here also you people are write no PPT is formed. No PPT is formed. Here, fifth group absent. Fifth group absent here also. Fifth group absent. Right, okay. Next sixth group, there is no reagent to the sixth group. So here also need not write anything. But already we did the ammonium test in the first only, before the group analysis table only. Maybe which one is present, these are all absent. If these are all absent, you would write maybe magnesium. So already we know that which one aluminum we get in the first salt. You write magnesium 2 plus, absent you write. So you will have to complete, complete the group analysis table. After this group analysis table only, you have to go for the conformation test, of cations. We will get in which group. Suppose example in first salt and second salt. So those are, first salt is aluminum nitrate and second salt is the aluminum sulfate. In those two salts, we will get here only the gelatinous white PPT is formed. Okay, formed here. So third group may be present, aluminum 3 plus may be present, and you write up to fifth and sixth group. Then close the group analysis table. Then you have to go for the conformation test. So in the conformation test, what are the conformation tests are there? Okay, suppose example in conformation test, again you have to follow that one only. Experiment, observation and inference, need not write a group number. So you write the heading here. Suppose example we get the cation in the third group, because we will get the PPT in the, PPT is formed in the third group while doing the third group. So maybe third group cations are present. In third group, which cations are there mainly? So those are maybe aluminum, sometimes iron 2 plus may be present in this. Okay, so iron 2 plus present, iron 3 plus present. So that's why after the completion of group analysis table, in which group we get the PPT. So suppose example you get here gelatinous white PPT in the third group, you have to go for the conformation test for the third group. Or need not write all these things, you have to write a conformation test for which cation it is, aluminum cation. Aluminum cation. Then you have to do the aluminum. Okay, test 2 are there. One is a ammonium hydroxide test, another one is a sodium hydroxide test. In both are also, in both tests also we will get the gelatinous white PPT only. Then inference you have to write the Al3 plus cation is confirmed, Al3 plus cation is confirmed. Okay, then after the completion of confirmation of cation, you have to go for the report. So in the report as it is, you people have to write which one is there in the scored book, right? Okay, so this is the, suppose example you will get a cation in the second group. Sir, already we get a PPT, black PPT we get, maybe copper 2 plus is present. Okay, I will cut here only, sir, group analysis. For all groups, for all salts, how many salts are there in, in our syllabus? 24 salts are there. In 24 salts, you people have to write this overall table. But in these 5 groups, anyone you will get PPT, the remaining are you people have to write the no PPT is formed, no PPT is formed, no PPT is formed. Suppose example you will get PPT here,
Okay, any manganese or zinc is there. So suppose example manganese is there, you will get the meat color, okay, or pink color PPT is formed, okay, or maybe zinc is there, white or ash color PPT is formed. Maybe suppose example meat color PPT is formed, you write here Mn2 plus is may be present, okay. Ash color PPT is formed or white color PPT is formed in the fourth group, you may write here which one it is, zinc 2 plus may be present. Suppose example you will get the block color PPT is there, nickel may be present. So like that, so only one group you will get PPT, the other groups all you will have to write no PPT is formed and you write absent and absent, like that only. Okay, but don't cut the group analysis table up to we will get the cation. So you will have to write the whole group analysis table in the record. Okay, so there are two pages, one is a lining page is there and another one is the back side of that one. So white clear white page is there. You have to continue the first, you will have to start the salt analysis in the right side page. You write a bold heading which one it is, analysis of salt number 1, salt number 2 up to like that only 24 salts. Okay, after the completion of a lining page you have to go for the white page. In the white page also you make a table and write them, because okay, that is not enough for our okay practical. There are maybe 45 48 52 experiments are there, so that will not, the record will not enough to us. So that's why for the which one what we are doing here, so we are don't write small, don't write okay small letters, you write bold. So the everyone they suppose example you are writing an heading in the middle page, middle of the page, you will have to use bold letters. Okay, bold means this big size only. Need not write the already alphabets are bold. Not like that. You have to write a big letters. And what I am doing here, is there any experiment? Is there any okay heading? Is there? You have to write. You have to use shining pens or maybe marker pens or sketch pens. You have to use, except green. Okay, except green, you will have to write all those. Okay, so neat tabulation, you will have to do that. Table will be neat. Okay, neat. Okay, neat and so that's why I am saying here. Is there any doubt? You people have to call to me and ask the questions. Then I will clarify to you in the okay call only. Right? Okay. Are you understand here? So after the completion of anions, we are completed there only. Again, we are completed the cation and confirmation test of cation, and you have to write the report. Okay, in the report you will have to write the name and also suppose example one cation. Suppose in the first group, which one it is, a salt analysis of salt number 1. So it is aluminium nitrate it is. So cation is aluminium. Okay, and the cation aluminium anion. Okay, nitrate. So you write the aluminium and also you write the okay Al3 plus in the bracket, and also nitrate you write in the word nitrate and write in the bracket NO3 minus. Right, okay. So next salt name completely you write aluminium nitrate and write AlNO3 taken 3. You have to complete that one clearly. You will have to learn the 24 salts and those formulas also. So anyone will be asked in the examination all by the examiner. So that's why you will have to perfect. While writing the record only you will have to complete that. Okay, you know that completely you will have to remember or write many times. So that's why you are going to write 24 salts. Okay. So and also you will write these 24 salts while doing the laboratory in our observation also. Okay. Right. Are you understand? You people. Maybe I think it is understood to you. Right. Okay. Right. Next. Right. That's enough. After the continuation, you write first every salt analysis of salt number 1 or 2, whatever it may be, you will have to start in the right side page. In the right side page or line page. Okay. There maybe it will take 2 or 3 pages or maybe 4 pages. Okay. Suppose example 11 salt is completed in the middle of the page. Then what you have to do? You have to do only that, cut up that, okay, at that page only. Then you have to start in the new page of right side. Okay, don't continue the in white page only. Don't continue the middle of the page. Whatever be line or maybe white page. Don't continue the another salt by the analysis of salt number. Okay, so you will have to start the every salt in the right side page, and on the top of that page you will have to write analysis of salt number 1. Okay, maybe those records maybe contain experiment. Need not write any experiment, and okay, date, need not write any date. Okay, you people have write salt. Okay, analysis of salt number 1 only. Don't write the salt name, and don't write the salt formula. Okay, top of the, okay, which one? Starting of the salt. Are you understand here? Right? Okay, thank you. I will closing this video after this time only. Right? Okay, maybe I will send to you night or maybe tomorrow. So this today is a Thursday. Maybe I will, okay, send to you by the right, okay, link only, by the link. So I will send to you. Is there any doubt? You may call to me and ask me. Right? Okay, thank you.